Right guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to try to repair this crack in my Magnum Strikeforce 8 tactical boots with this Jasung repair compound glue, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so as we can see here, we've got the crack in the leather. I'm not too sure if this is going to work because remember I walk like 20 miles per working week as a security officer. So will this compound be able to stay up to all this movement from walking 40 miles in a working week shift? I don't know. But again, this is the Jasung repair compound, and we're going to see if it can help to repair cracks in boots. So let's begin. I'm going to add a little bit of, okay, now it's starting to come out. Let's see, totally getting there. Okay, so we're getting quite a bit there, aren't we? So let's see. Gonna run some over here. Now with it being black, it's just going to be like having polish on my boots. But what I'm going to do, pour a little bit more in there, and I really need to get some tissue. Right guys, so now we've got some in there. I'm going to leave that and let it dry, and then time will tell if that's actually fixed, and then we'll polish the boots up, and then I'll do a working week patrolling them, and I'll let you know if this Jasung repair compound actually does work. Okay guys, thanks for watching, see you all in the next video.